Let me give you all a tip on how to keep your unit safe from being frozen. So first thing I'm going to do whenever I'm just doing a blowout, this is to help prevent any freezing before the unit sells. I take the water filter, you break it loose. If there's a water filter in it, remove it. This one that was in it was bad, but they've got more in the cabinet to sell, so they'll have extras. But I dumped the water out of them. Any extra water, just put it back on. This is a homemade one. I made just a air connection. It does have a pressure regulator, so it goes only up to 50 psi. Hooked into your city line. Pump air through it. You go to every faucet, every toilet. Make sure all the water's been blown out of it. Go back inside. You see that's where your main air is coming out, your low point drain. So now whenever you come into any of your faucets, cold side, just blowing air. Hot side, it's just blowing air. We leave the low point drains open, so there's anything that, like any residual in your low points and your 90s and stuff like that, even if it does freeze, there's not pressure behind it, and a little bit of ice that's in there will have room to expand, and it won't bust into your lines. And of course, you always make sure you go to the toilets. All aired out. And make sure after you've gotten everything aired out, you ain't got nothing there, then you take it to the dump station, dump your black, gray. If it has 2 gray tanks, you dump that. Make sure your freshwater tanks are dumped. And you leave your valves open. If you end up closing them back, any residual water that hits that valve and you go to open it and it freezes, you're going to mess up the gasket in it. Alright, so that's what you do to be able to make sure that you blow your unit out of any residual water to keep your unit from freezing or having busted pipes. This preventive maintenance, especially if you live in colder areas and your weather fluctuates a lot, you go from 30 degrees to 40 degrees one day and stuff like that, you don't know. Just make sure you blow your unit out how we did. You don't have to winterize it with antifreeze unless you're storing it, and you won't making sure that it's done properly.